Need tools? We've got you covered. Go to ChromebookParts.com or click on the link below to pick up this sleek, portable toolkit. Flip the device over and remove two 5mm screws and 11 7mm screws from the bottom cover. Gently insert the opener pick between the bottom cover and the palm rest and slide along the edges to pop the bottom cover free. Peel back the tape and unplug the battery from the motherboard. Once you've unplugged the battery, it can be easier just to remove it altogether. Flip the device over and gently insert the opener pick between the bezel and the back cover. Slide along the edges to pop the bezel free. Remove four 2mm screws from the LCD panel. Lift the panel up and lay it down. Peel back the tape, flip open the locking clip, and unplug the LCD cable from the LCD panel. Plug the LCD cable into the new panel. Lay the panel back into place. And replace the four 2mm screws. Replace the bezel and push down to snap it back into place. Replace the battery back onto its posts. And plug the battery back into the motherboard. Replace the bottom cover and push down to snap it back into place. Replace the two 5mm screws and 11 7mm screws back into the bottom cover.